Hi guys, welcome to ukeguide. In this lesson we're covering a song request and I will be teaching you the latest sensational hit Jaan Nisaar from the movie KEDARNATH. So if you're excited to learn this beautiful track, take out your uke. Now tune your ukes in standard tuning and let's start with the lesson. So guys, to play this song you need 4 easy chords, and these chords are chord C, chord A minor, chord F and chord G. So to play chord C, you need to place your ring finger on 3rd fret 1st string and chord C will sound like this. To play chord A minor, you need to place your middle finger on 2nd fret 4th string and chord A minor will sound like this. To play chord F, you need to place your index finger on 1st fret 2nd string and your middle finger on 2nd fret 4th string and chord F will sound like this. To play chord G, you need to place your index finger on 2nd fret 3rd string, your middle finger on 2nd fret 1st string and your ring finger on 3rd fret 2nd string and chord G will sound like this. So let's talk about strumming pattern. In this song, we're using a very easy strumming pattern, that is down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. So guys, the tempo of this pattern would exactly be the same. So if you hold chord C and you play this pattern, it will sound like this. So now let's discuss each section of this song step by step. So we're gonna start with verse part, and to play verse part we're gonna use chord C, chord A minor, chord G, chord F, chord G again, and then chord C. So chords will be in this order, so you have to pay attention on this thing. Alright. So now let me quickly tell you how you can use the strumming pattern in this section. Na maregi divanegi teri, na maregi avaregi teri, ke maregi zyada mujh maut se, narazgi teri. So next section would be chorus, and to play chorus we will use chord A minor, chord C, chord A minor again, chord C, chord G, chord F and then chord C. So in this section you will be playing this pattern exactly 1 time per chord except the last chord, that would be chord C, and on that chord you will be ending the chorus part. Jaan Nisaar hai Jaan Nisaar, tere pyar pe mere yaar, Jaan Nisaar hai. So the next part of this song would be verse 2, and in verse 2 we will be using chord C, chord A minor, chord F and chord G. So in this part you have to strum each chord exactly 1 time per chord. Okay, so it will sound like this. दुनिया ज़माने से रिश्ते निभाए हैं, बस तुझसे ही है मेरी यारी, एक बार तो आ. Now after this part you can repeat the verse 1 again and then you can repeat the chorus part. So this will complete the entire song. So guys, as we learned everything, let us quickly start playing the song. 1, 2, 3, 4. Na maregi divanegi teri, na maregi avaregi teri, कि मारेगी ज़्यादा मुझे मौत से नाराज़गी तेरी। क्यों इतना खफा है तू बता, क्यों जिद किस बात की तेरी, कि मारेगी ज़्यादा मुझे मौत से नाराज़गी तेरी। जान निसार है जान निसार, तेरे प्यार पे मेरे यार जान निसार है। दुनिया ज़माने से रिश्ते निभाए हैं, बस तुझसे ही है मेरी यारी, एक बार तो आ। मैंने निभाया है करके दिखाया है, ले तेरी बारी एक बारी, तू भी प्यार निभा, तू भी प्यार निभा। ना मारेगी दीवानगी तेरी, ना मारेगी आवारगी तेरी, कि मारेगी ज़्यादा मुझे मौत से नाराज़गी तेरी। So guys, that was it. I'm sure you must have liked this lesson. Please subscribe to ukeguide and make sure you hit the bell icon. And keep on supporting me guys, because with your support I will be bringing more lessons in future. And in case you have a song request, then do let me know on Instagram and I will be more than happy to help you with your requests. So until next time, do take care and bye bye.